Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could reshape the way we navigate the vast expanse of the internet? What if I told you that there are groundbreaking AI tools on the horizon that promise to revolutionize the online landscape as we know it? From redefining search engines to transforming music composition, these tools are not just futuristic dreams, but tangible innovations poised to change the way we interact with the digital world. Let's delve into the realm of these stunning AI tools that are set to redefine the internet experience. Number 5. Harmonizing the future. Suno Vibe 3. 5 AI Music Composer. Get ready to be serenaded by the future of music creation with Suno Vibe 3. 5. This AI-powered music generator is taking composition to a whole new level. With its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms, Suno lets you compose original tunes with just a few clicks. Suno V3.5 introduces a range of exciting updates designed to enhance your music-making experience. Now, users can create 4-minute songs, allowing for even more creativity and expression. Whether you're a budding musician or a seasoned composer, Suno V3.5 offers a platform to unleash your musical talent. One of the most impressive features of Suno V3.5 is its ability to generate songs from simple prompts. With just a few words, users can inspire Suno to create intricate melodies and harmonies, turning ideas into fully realized compositions. But that's not all. Suno is also introducing Make a Song from Any Sound feature, allowing users to transform everyday sounds into musical masterpieces. Whether it's the sound of raindrops or the rustle of leaves, Suno can turn any sound into a symphony. In essence, Suno V3.5 is revolutionizing music creation, making it more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI music with Suno V3.5 and let your creativity soar. Number 4. Unlocking YouTube success. Inside ViewStats Analytics. Ever wished you could peek behind the scenes of top YouTubers' success? Look no further than ViewStats, the brainchild of YouTube sensation Mr. Beast. This AI-powered tool gives creators unprecedented insights into their channel's performance. With ViewStats, creators can delve deep into their analytics, gaining valuable insights to optimize their content strategy. From analyzing video rankings to understanding audience engagement, ViewStats provides a comprehensive overview of channel performance. What sets ViewStats apart is its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Creators can easily track video performance, identify trends, and uncover opportunities for growth. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, ViewStats empowers you to make informed decisions and maximize your channel's potential. Moreover, ViewStats offers pro features like thumbnail search and A/B testing, allowing creators to fine-tune their content for maximum impact. With these tools at your disposal, you can stay ahead of the competition and take your channel to new heights of success. In essence, ViewStats is revolutionizing YouTube analytics, giving creators the tools they need to succeed in a competitive landscape. So why settle for guesswork when you can harness the power of data with ViewStats? Join the thousands of creators already using ViewStats to unlock their channel's full potential. Number 3. UDO 130. Pioneering the next wave of music generation. UDO 130 is here to redefine music generation with its latest updates. This cutting-edge model offers a host of new features designed to enhance your music-making experience. With UDO 130, users can now generate 2-minute songs with unprecedented ease and precision. One of the standout features of UDO 130 is its advanced control options. Users can now adjust the prompt strength and lyric strength, allowing for more nuanced and customized compositions. Whether you're looking to craft a heartfelt ballad or an energetic anthem, UDO 130 puts the power in your hands. But that's not all. UDO 130 also introduces the ability to follow creators on the platform, fostering a vibrant community of music enthusiasts and creators. By following your favorite artists, you can stay updated on their latest creations and draw inspiration for your own musical endeavors. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, UDO 130 is revolutionizing the way we approach music composition. Whether you're a professional musician or an amateur enthusiast, UDO 130 offers a platform to unleash your creativity and explore new musical horizons. In essence, Udio 130 is more than just a music generator. It's a catalyst for innovation and expression. So why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your music with Udio 130? Join the revolution today and experience the future of music generation firsthand. Number 2. Empowering expertise. Crafting knowledge with Perplexity Pages. But Perplexity Pages isn't just about consuming content. It's about sharing your expertise with the world. With its Pro Account feature, you can create and publish your own pages, becoming a beacon of knowledge in your field. The process is seamless and intuitive. Simply sign up for a Pro Account, and you'll gain access to a user-friendly interface where you can craft informative pages on topics of your choice. Whether you're passionate about tech, cooking, or art, Perplexity provides the tools to showcase your expertise. What's more, Perplexity's generative AI streamlines the content creation process. It assists you in organizing your thoughts, suggesting relevant sources, and formatting your page for maximum readability. This means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time focused on sharing valuable insights. By contributing to Perplexity Pages, you're not just adding to the collective knowledge base. You're also establishing yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Your pages will be discoverable by millions of users worldwide, providing a platform to showcase your expertise and connect with like-minded individuals. In essence, Perplexity Pages empowers you to share your passion and knowledge with the world, fostering a community of learners and experts alike. Number 1. Perplexity Pages. Redefining search with AI insights. Imagine a search engine that doesn't just find answers but crafts entire pages of curated content for you. Meet Perplexity Pages, the game changer in internet searching. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity doesn't just provide links. It generates comprehensive pages tailored to your queries. Perplexity Pages revolutionizes how we interact with information online. It utilizes advanced generative AI algorithms to scour the web for relevant content and distill it into easy-to-understand pages. Whether you're seeking answers to complex questions or exploring niche topics, Perplexity delivers curated insights at your fingertips. What sets Perplexity apart is its ability to understand context and provide nuanced responses. Instead of sifting through countless search results, users are presented with concise summaries and actionable recommendations. This not only saves time, but also enhances comprehension and decision-making. Moreover, Perplexity empowers users to contribute to the collective knowledge base by creating their own pages. With a few simple clicks, anyone can share their expertise and insights with the world, democratizing the process of knowledge dissemination. In essence, Perplexity Pages is more than just a search engine. It's a gateway to a world of curated knowledge and collaborative learning. The advent of these AI tools marks a significant leap forward in how we navigate and interact with the digital world. From personalized search experiences to innovative music composition platforms, these tools empower users to explore, create, and connect in ways never before imagined. As we embrace the transformative potential of AI, we embark on a journey towards a more dynamic, collaborative, and enriching online experience. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep innovating and embracing the possibilities of tomorrow's digital frontier.